Good morning, discrete math students, or good afternoon, whenever you chose to go ahead and sign in on our Zoomless Monday. Um, if you've made it to here, congratulations, you're doing great. There will be a video, this video that you're watching right now, that'll go right here. The first assignment, I want you to play this. Click this, you're going to go to a different website. And if you get something that it's not allowing you to open the Flash player, right up here, there might be a little on your Chromebook, a little red exclamation point or something that you need to click that allows Flash Player to open. So if you can't open the Flash Player, look up here, see if you can allow that to open. And once you allow that, it's going to go through everything. I don't know if you can hear the noise, but I'm going to close this out. But play this game all the way to completion. Whew, yeah, turn down the volume a little bit on that game. But enjoy playing Dunk Tank. I'm sure you will do very well. The next part, make sure this set of universal 20 through 29, and then the subsets. Well, this one on mine kind of wrapped around, but A is the 20, 24, 25, 27, 29. B is that set. C is that set. So you will go here to the set theory matching, but you need to write those down so that you have them in front of you. And when you do, type your name. And if you have the same first name as somebody else in the class, give me a last initial or something. So type your name. You don't need to do remember me. You can, doesn't matter. And then start that game. And it's just a matching. So with that, it's not it's not a race or anything. There's a timer up here, but that doesn't matter. A union C and figure out which of these down here would match A union C. Let's just say it's 25. It's not. If you get it wrong, it'll tell you and we'll move on to the next one. If you get it right, your choice will go away. So, oh, and this, it wrapped around again. Hopefully you can see that that's B minus A union C. Since I have no idea what A union C is, I'm definitely not going to get B minus A union C, right? Am I? All right, so play that game. And then the last part is this four set Venn diagram, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Just open up the PDF, complete that. Um, oh, it says and submit. Did I make a page or an assignment? Oh no, this is an assignment. So I'm just in my teacher editing. So you'll have your submit button up there. So the only thing you have to submit, I'll be able to see these two that you completed them. So that's not a big deal, but you need to submit this third one. And have a great Monday. And I'll see you bright and early on Tuesday. So talk to you later. Have a great day.